How would Feb 2025 be for people who born on 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st of any month? I saw that Jan was a good time for you guys. You continued helping people out, giving your heart out, and you enjoyed the glory of it. The more you spend time with your loved ones, the more money you made, work came back to back. You might have had a slight difference of opinion in your love life or with your loved ones, but if you had managed to keep a check on your emotions and not take your loved ones too seriously, also, Jan would have been overall well for you. Health wise also I see excellent. You might have even started working out and taking more care of your health. Now in Feb, first of all I see your patience will be tested. So if you're not able to handle the balance between emotion and practicality well, then that might become a lesson for you. Otherwise nothing to worry about. Money wise, you'll mint a lot of money. You will be working so much that you will have absolutely no time for anything. Career wise, you might start with a long due initiative. So if you had something in your mind, just start it in Feb to get excellent result. Love wise, you'll be happy to get the law of karma playing in your favor and getting the justice that you truly deserve. So if you were awaiting that, this is the message for you. Health wise, I see a few emotional health issues because you have a habit, being number 4, of being very impulsive and just leaving things at at the heat of the moment. So just avoid doing that. And overall, the guidance is just maintain your diplomacy and do not take people too seriously. Also maintain a gray area instead of black and white. That's difficult for you to do, but if you do that, excellent Feb 2020.